inside. Damn critters.
No, wrong one.
Oh my goodness. I guess I had not thrown that box away.
Well, you can't now.
I know.
What do you want, sugar? What is it? You want to what side?
I think she wants a treat.
It's also sweet. That's a miss?
Yes.
Are they both in it? Oh, I thought he went in there too.
No. Butters is attacking the box. And Gizmo's laying low.
Get it, Lily? Go get the box.
Oh, you guys are freaking nuts.
They're cute though.
I know. Come on, out of the way.
You're gonna keep both of them, aren't you? You look like you want to.
I do want to, but I can't. But I still think I should get them fixed before I find them homes.
Yeah.
Just so I know that they're not out there
Left in the street then?
populating the country with more babies. As adorable as they are, there's enough of them to go around. I think Gizmo doesn't want Butters in that box. Oh, this is going on YouTube tomorrow.
I love you, Mom. I want to drill some in my mirror.
Huh?
I want to drill some in my mirror.
So go ahead.
I don't want to be loud. Should I do it now?
You can do it in the living room, and I can go watch my shows in my bedroom. You can use that table, put a towel on it. I washed all the towels and stuff.